Hi, it's Christina and we're talking test tips. And today we're going to talk about feeling prepared. So by now you know that in order to be prepared, you actually have to do practice questions. And it's really best if you can do focused, efficient practice, like the Olive Book. But feeling prepared is a little bit different. There are 4 key elements to feeling prepared and therefore less stressed. So the first is being familiar with the format of the test. Which sections come first? How many questions there are in each section? How many questions you can miss and still achieve your goal score? Secondly, you want to hone your approach to answering the questions. Make sure you're really breaking the question down. What is the question asking? And then I want you to think about, what do you know and what do you not know? So use those answer choices. Knowing which answers are incorrect will help you to determine which answer is correct. The third way to feel prepared comes from knowing that you can make it through the whole test. You have the endurance to get through all the sections without burning out. You practice this by taking at least one full-length practice test before you take the real test. And you can learn exactly how to do that by watching my ACT pacing and timing strategies video. And the last element to feeling prepared is to stick to your normal morning routine. So yes, you want to have a healthy breakfast, but don't have a huge breakfast if you don't normally do that. And keep in mind that the Thursday before the test is about physiological preparedness. So this is when you gain the nutrition and the rest that you're going to use on the test day. While Friday, the night before the test, is about psychological preparedness. It's about knowing that you are prepared. Sometimes it's only through recognizing, really identifying all that you have done, that you can finally feel all that you have done. You are prepared. So, happy practicing.